hurts. See how far up? Oh yeah, watch this. I'm already tired. Go this way. Shoot. Oh, right there. I think I'm at one of the areas. Yeah. Okay. I'm going a little bit slower than expected. So please do not hurt me. See? You see that beautiful view? This is where I sit down and relax, you know, because it's so pretty. See all those birds? Whew. Very short journey. Very big view. Can you see it? Can you see it? Yeah. So pretty. Okay, don't look at the city. Just look at the mountains in the background. See over there? Look over there. Shut up, Daisy! So pretty. You see like everything. Now if I go just a little bit higher, I can see over there. I can see that beautiful tree right there. But yet right now I am in a beautiful tree. So that tree to me, right now, does not matter. Now let's go higher and see what else we can see. Why am I talking to myself? Oh shoot. Okay, I'm kind of scared, so I'm getting down. Got to go back. No. Or else I might fall. And honestly, I do not want to die. Yeah. 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 Okay. Oh yeah. Okay, we are halfway down. Oopsie. 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 Ow. Oopsie.